Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the new game mode on your iPhone 17. So, at first you need to open some game, and it's automatically actually. It turns on automatically and you don't have to do anything. Here, as you can see, we have Brawl Stars, and now it's automatically enabled. Here, as you can see, we have this our profile, and now if we tap here, this is the all game mode settings that we just have. Every single thing that we just have on this device is on this device in the game on this device is already automatic, and we don't have to do anything like with this game preset, etc, etc. Here, if you open the application in your device called games over here and tap continue and tap your top right corner, you'll see just your profile, and the new game mode works actually automatically. It just enables the focus on the game strictly, and you won't just receive notifications, etc, etc. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.